Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get a disabled Instagram account back. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, simply go ahead, open up your Instagram app, and once you have disabled your account, or if your account has been disabled, when you go to your Instagram, you will have an option of login, right? You need to go ahead and go to the login section. So let me go ahead and log out of my account. So you will be in this kind of interface once you tap on the login, right? You need to go ahead and add in the same username of your previous disabled account and the password of the same disabled account as well. Now once you are done that, you can tap on login, and before that it will show you an appeal button if your account is disabled, right? Tap on the appeal button and then tap on learn more option. Then you have to simply fill a form stating that your account has been deactivated wrongly, and then you also need to go ahead and provide a subs verification for the account that you are the holder and it has been wrongfully disabled. You have to provide that. And another option that you can do is you can simply contact Meta or Facebook support for the further help, or you can simply go ahead email them directly on support@instagram.com or appeals@instagram.com for direct conversation, direct appeal to their Instagram, stating that you have been wrongfully disabled, you have done nothing wrong, you have not violated any of the terms of the app itself. Once you have stated that, you just need to wait to hear from the app itself, and once your account has been disabled, you will receive an email from them. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.